Hey, this is Andrew with Jumper, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to create a drop ship with Jumper from Amazon, Etsy, AliExpress, any one of these type of things, right? To test and validate products in a quick, rapid thing. So if you are an FBA seller or looking to get into selling or importing things, or already have your Facebook and Instagram page or YouTube channel and whatever, you want to just sell something and get the ball rolling, to get some email addresses in there to start building up and growing your followers, this is a great way to do it. So I'm going to show you how simple this is. In about 5 minutes you're gonna be able to be up and running. So here's the deal. First, you go to Amazon, you find a product, use a tool such as like Jungle Scout or Unicorn Smasher. I think Unicorn Smasher is free, Jungle Scout is a fee, to find a product. So what you'll do is you go over here, you're searching, to do some sort of search type thing. I've got this one product here that I'm kind of looking at just for here, and this because already uploaded this product. So I would go here, I would run my Jungle Scout piece on here. It's going to come back with some data. From there, it tells me how many sales it's getting. It's got about 80 sales, so not a huge volume. But what I would do is I would raise the price 5 to 10% to cover your cost of the Stripe and the PayPal fees that you're going to get on that type of thing as well. So that's what I would do. I would raise about 10%, something like that, which isn't too bad. It's about $9 more. And then what I do is I just copy this image, copy the full title, all the bullet points, everything like that into the thing. I'll tell how many I want. So I'll go to my Jumper page, right? So I'll go to products. All right, I did this already, so I'm just going to go to manage products just because I save time. But you would go to add products. And then from here, once you're in there, you'll see the product right here. Here's the exact same one from Amazon. So if I went to the edit page right here, here's where I put the headline. I put my hashtag that I created, the images, the price, the colors that come up. These are at the same price, but I raise it 9%, 10%. Here, cash on delivery, which we're not doing because we're in the States. They don't have that. Then how many can people buy? Ask shopper a question after if you want special instructions. So you click yes, and then that will be on when they check out. So you take that, you basically take the web. So there's two links here, right? You got one is the Facebook Messenger. So as long as you have your Facebook Messenger hooked up with Jumper, which is a requirement, so you're going to probably do that. And then you can also take the web bot. I'm going to take the web bot. It's going to open up in a web page, and I think it works better sometimes, but that's just my opinion on that. So what we'll do is we'll go to Instapage, and like I say, you can use Wix, Lead Pages, Squarespace, anything really to do this. I mean, you can use Shopify as well, but you click on that. Say I'm going to name this page. I'm going to call it BP3 Backpack 3. Go into here. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Now, obviously, this is a set template, right? But what I would say is that you could change all this stuff, right? Really, really super. Change out the image, change out everything. All I'm doing is I'm changing the buy button right here. So, hey, I want this. I'm going to put the link from my my Jumper account that I had, and then I'm going to go down, and there's another one of these, and I'm going to change this, and I'm going to say outside URL, and I'm going to again copy that, click done. I'm going to go over to where it says publish, which is right up here. You can't see, it's kind of off screen, but squeeze it in. There we go. So I click publish, right? Say continue anyway, blah blah blah. I'm going to do a demo page, so I'm just going to call it BP3, right? So I got BP3 here, and then I'm going to click on this. It's going to pop up. Here's the page, right? I'm going to click, yeah, I want this, right? Now watch. 2 seconds, we're going to jump over to your Jumper web bot, and boom, now I'm starting the buying experience, right? So I can buy it on Messenger, or I can buy it right through this web bot here. I can view more details if I wanted to on that, but I'm going to say buy it now, right? What color do I want, right? So I didn't upload a color, but there would be, if there were different colors, I'll say I'm just going to gray. Right, sounds good. How many do I want? Just want one of these, right? Then it's going to ask me for an email address. I'm just going to put in an email address here. So do this one. Right, now I'm going to get a 4-digit code to my email, so I'll be right back with that a second. Okay, so here it is. It's 15. I entered that, right? What's really cool about this is that once you are once you're validated, like once the user is validated or a customer is validated, it sets a cookie with them. So then anytime they come back and buy from you, they never have to enter in all the information, you know, again. So it's really, you know, it's really kind of cool on this stuff. It's even cooler if you do it through Facebook, but, you know, so I've got to give my full name, right? So then basically I'll enter in an address, right? And then, you know, I'll just, whatever I'll put in here. Right, so select the state. And this is really awesome. So, right, so I save it. And then that's it. Like, right, so now it's got my address. The only thing it's going to ask me for at the end of this thing is basically tells me the order, and then I just pay with my card. That's it. That's how simple it is for somebody to check out buying from Amazon. It goes in there. That money then gets put into your account. I'll show you where it kind of goes. So once it's done, you'll get the order. You'll go to your products, right? From your products, you'll see that. You'll see all the detailed information. I didn't buy this. This is something to fire, but all the detailed information is there. And then when you do get the Amazon or AliExpress or Etsy tracking confirmation, you just put it in there and click ship now, and then they'll get alerted. The customer will get alerted with the order information that happened. I mean, it's that easy to do drop shipping with Jumper. Now that took me about maybe, I don't know, 6 minutes or so to do this. You can do the same thing. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support. We're always here. I hope to see you on the next video.